Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I've done this a couple of times, and first time I forgot to turn on the screen share. This time I forgot to turn on recording, and I have a little indicator in front of me that tells me that I'm both recording and I have my screen share. So hopefully, and this won't be very long. So I'm going to show you how to recover one or more data sets if you need to. So we log onto the system. All right. And yeah, so I had done this, like this is the third time I've done it. So I'm going to pay a little closer attention this time. So I'm going to stay up all night doing this. First thing I'm going to do is delete the data set that I'm going to copy back over. So let's say you say, oops, I deleted that data set. See, it's deleted. PDS data, see, it's deleted. And then I'm going to exit from here. And I'm going to go back into it. And you see it's gone. Okay, so oops, oops. Didn't mean to do that. So now, let's go back out to the primary screen so we can let you guys do something you're familiar with. So from here, I'm going to put 3.3, which is the copy facility. Okay. And well, let me show you a little something first so that you know how we're working with this. 3.4. So let's leave the prefix DS name level off for the time being. That makes our life a little easier for this. Now it ends up that it doesn't matter whether it's on or off when you copy one to your library, because it's going to prefix it with your data set name, I mean with your user ID, whether or not you have this set. All right, by set I mean with just a slash here. So whether you do or don't, it's going to work the same way for this. But just so you know, this is off in this case. Okay. So I'm going to put, because I'm not the primary, I'm going to enter 3.3, go to the copy facility. Now, first thing I need to do is put a C in option. Okay. Tab down to where it says name. And well, let me back up. I got to show you a little something else first. I'm going to show you where all your data sets are for the contest. So in 3.4, if you put in here, if you put ZOS.MtM2017, not 71, it's a long time from now. Hopefully I'll still be around, but I doubt it. And close quote. We are using single quotes because it's not my data set. So I have to tell the system explicitly where to get the system from. Hit enter. US MtM 2017. Yes, name level error. That's it. Well, do I have a spelling error there? ZOS. I put ZOS 2017. Okay. There's always something. Okay, let me make sure I don't have something that's a miss. So I'm just gonna try to look at mine now. Okay, so it has mine, and you notice the PDS.data is not there. So let's go back out. I need to show you where all the ZOSs are, all the data sets for the contest, and single quote ZOS.MtM 2017. Let me look at the I've only done this, a zillion times already. Let me look at the So it's going to tell me in here. I swear, boy, it's bad to get old. My memory has gone to pieces. I know it's down here somewhere. Scrolling through this. What I'm trying to do is get to where because part one had us copy some stuff over. Hate when I do that. Can't remember. And you would say, well, why don't you write it down? Well, yeah, right. What I should. I have no excuse. I think I passed it. No, I didn't pass it. It's here. COS MtM 2017. Yeah, that's right. COS MtM 2017. So why am I not seeing? It says MtM 2017. Data set list utility. MtM 2017. Maybe I need this set. I don't know. Maybe I need that set. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, here's a case where you need to have it set. The /set. Okay. So now this is where with the prefix DS name levels set, ZOS MtM 2017, and those are all your data sets. And then we're going to try to get one called MtM ZOS MtM 2017.public.pds.data. That's what we're getting. Now let's go back and uncheck our uncheck the prefix. Now this is not, I mean, you can do it either way, but I'm going to do it this way. And I need to copy this data from that data set back to mine because I don't have it. So I'm going to put an equal sign, and you can use the equal sign from anywhere. And I want to put a C here to copy, and I want to put I'm copying this over, but you can type it out. Now, you need a single quote here because, and I don't know how to use the insert key on this laptop. Even though I've had it for 6 months. Single quote, data set name of somebody else, close single quote. So what I'm saying is I want to copy some data from this data set somewhere, and not necessarily to my system, but somewhere. And I want to copy it to, this is from up here. Down here is to. And because I want to do it in mine, I'm going to say pds.data. That's what I want to call it. I want to call it myid.pds.data. And this will do that. So this is going to prefix it with my ID, whether or not I have the prefix on. It's going to do it. So I put a 1 here because I want to allocate it with the same attributes that it already has. No need to change them. Hit enter. And here, now there's probably a way to do this automatically. I just never figured out. Put an S and tab. So here you're selecting all these members. These are individual files. I want them all. So put an S there, hit enter. Now they're there. Let's prove that they're there. Let's exit from this with F3. Every time I'm exiting from somewhere, I'm using F3. And then we're going to go back in 3.4, which is the DS data set list utility. And I'm going to ask for mine. And the only way I know to ask for mine is with the prefix DS name level set to off. I don't know how else to ask for all of yours. G00745. And it's going to give me all of mine. And there you see right here, PDS.data. Let's make sure it has all the members. We'll view. Yeah, they're there. Okay, and I told you I was going to show you how to reset your password, but Probably the easiest thing to do is just send an email to zskills@us.ibm.com. Include your user ID and your email, and tell me the password reset. That's probably the quickest way, because it'll just start you from scratch instead of you trying to do something on your own and them not being able to help you. So that's probably the easiest thing to do. Okay, third time's a charm, it looks like. I think I've got everything I need. So I'll see you guys in the next video.